So over here, I am in Microsoft Office 365 Online. And if I were to go around over here and create an online Office 365 document, for example, a PowerPoint presentation right here, then what happens is that it directly saves out the file inside of Microsoft OneDrive. You don't actually need to do anything. So if I were to go around and let's say choose a template right here in PowerPoint, just like this, and make around the changes right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and type in YouTube over here, and then go around over here and add in a subtitle right here, just like this, then you don't need to manually save it, but everything is automatically saved up in OneDrive, and you can see it over here on the top as well. If I were to go around and click, you can see that it is saved on the root folder of OneDrive right here. This is the location. You can go around and change out the file name to, let's say, for example, YouTube presentation right here. So let's just go around and type that in right here. So once you do that, you can see that it renamed it out as YouTube presentation. If I were to go around onto OneDrive over here, then in the root folder, you can see that YouTube presentation is here. So if I were to go around and take this file, or let me just go around over here, take this file and move this out into another folder. So I'm going to go around, move it inside of documents right here and move that in, and the file will be moved inside of documents right here. You can see the notification right here. So now if I were to click on this particular file, then it opens up in PowerPoint. And now that is, it opens up in PowerPoint Online. And if I were to go around over here, you can see the folder of where it is saved as well. So even if, like, let's say, for example, you have access to, let's say, for example, Word Online right here, and you're working with a particular file in Word Online, and you don't know where it is saved. For example, you can see that this is the document right here. So let's say you don't know where this particular document is saved out. Whenever the file is opened up right here, well, what you can simply do is click over here on the document name, and you immediately know where it is saved. You get the root folder and even the subfolders if it is saved in the subfolder. And you can see that the save status is saved to OneDrive. So whenever you go around and make any changes, then what happens is that it immediately saves it out in OneDrive, making your file safe as well. And that is how you can go ahead and then save out files created with Microsoft Office Online inside of OneDrive directly. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.